we started with a basic slingshot, 1, 2, 3, hold 4. And then we talked about how do you get out of it from there. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, bring that hand up on 5, 6, 7, and 8 from this side. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. That was the outside turn. Then we did an inside turn. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Did I start on this side? Yeah, here we go. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6. And then we did a couple of grooves in here, and then we did a free spin. We did a couple variations on this. We did the 1, 2, 3, hold 4. Then we did these in and outs, compression, stretch, compression, stretch. Then we went up. Or we did 1, 2, 3, hold 4. A couple of we did the in and outs, or we did back and forth together. We show that again. Back and forth together, we slowed down on 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then the exit. Now you can do the in and out compressions, or you can do the slow groove together thing. Either time, as many times as the music calls for, and then do your exit. Let's see. We also did another exit. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, in and out, or grooves, and then we did the exit this way, where we kept both hands and we went into a walk around, and then we just let that hand slide out. This side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's the same side, that's okay. And we did not get as far as doing a reverse slingshot. It would have looked like this. 1, 2, 3. And then we would have done a similar exit with an outside turn or whichever. 1, 2, 3. We can groove in and out like that. We can take this and do an outside turn, or we can take that and bring her into a hip catch. Do the groove, sweep it out. 1, 2, 3. We can groove, inside turn, outside turn. That was all the variations we did. Thanks for coming, guys.